Simpson Strong-Tie are renowned for their innovative products, and it was probably about 4 issues ago where we put these SDWC screws through their paces. So these are removing the need for triple grips. So you go straight through your top plates into your rafter and your trusses for a fantastic load capacity. Amazing product, but they've gone one step further. Let me introduce the Simpson Strong-Tie Quik Stik. So this is essentially an extension. That means you don't have to climb any ladders. You can stay on the ground and very safely and easily install the SDWC screws. So why don't we have a look at this product in a little bit more detail, because it's next level. So the key feature on this is obviously speed. The fact that you don't need to move the ladder around from rafter to rafter or truss to truss is going to save you a pile of time, and with that comes safety. By standing on the ground and using this overhead product removes any risk of slips or accidents with ladders. And if you have a look at the orange markers on here, and also you've got the bevel there, precision is also paramount with this device. So you've basically got around 4 or 5 different applications or methods that you can apply the screws with, which we'll have a look on site in a minute. But the fact that we've got the orange guides here to make sure you get perfect positioning every time is just, again, adding a massive feature to this already jam-packed product. So the Quik Stik has been specifically designed to be used with the Simpson Strong-Tie strong drive screws, and I guess the fact that the system is so easy to use means that even less experienced people can use the system. So if you've got your first year, your second year apprentices there, they're going to have no problem getting these screws in super quick, super accurately. And I guess by using the SDWC screws, it removes the need for triple grips. So why would you put in 9 nails into a plate or a triple grip when you can put in 1 screw? You can see really quickly how much time you're going to save with the system. So let's jump on site now and we'll put it through its paces and we'll see how awesome this product is to use. So we've come down here to Chroma and we've caught up with Jono from North Point Building. How are you, mate?
Yeah, good, mate.
That's the way. So how long have you been building with North Point for?
A couple of years.
Awesome, mate. And what type of works do you guys normally do?
Residential. Yeah.
Awesome. All on the northern beaches, or?
Yeah, mainly.
Yeah, perfect, mate, perfect. Well, look, you've already beaten us to the punch. So the roof's on and you've got your triple grips and your batten screws and stuff in already. But how long do you think you guys would have taken sort of getting that part of the job sort of done?
That's, yeah, good couple of days work.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
And look, you've had a chance to put the Simpson Strong-Tie Quik Stik through its paces. What were your overall thoughts using the system with the new screws?
Yeah, I thought it was a really good tool.
Yep.
Sort of takes the ladders out of the equation. You can do everything from the ground.
Yep.
And what we'd do in a matter of days was sort of doing in hours, I guess.
Yeah, perfect. I mean, it's going to save you a pile of time, and I think the loading capabilities with the screws is actually stronger than the triple grips and the batten screws. So all around a great little system, mate. Well, look, thanks for putting it through its paces today. Do you think you'll have to give these guys a run on your next roof?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome, mate. We'll get you hooked up.
Okay, good stuff.
Thanks, buddy. So when we released the last video with the Simpson Strong-Tie Strong Drive SDWC screws, I gotta admit I probably had about 5 or 6 phone calls from different tradie mates the day the video came out, and I've got a sneaking suspicion that everyone that's adopted that system would be absolutely crazy not to step across and use this Quik Stik. So I think everybody that stepped across to that system will be mad not to embrace this and go down the road of the Quik Stik. It really is going to save you a pile of time. All of the benefits that I guess we mentioned earlier, there was no marketing fluff in there. It is a real time saver. All of the features in terms of the accuracy, the ease of the system, look, they definitely weren't lying. I think this system gets the big thumbs up. So make sure you check this out next time you're in store. If you want to give any of the Simpson Strong-Tie reps a call, they can come out and see you on site. So here's the website below on the screen right now. So get in contact with them, check this out, because it's going to save you a pile of time and money. Till next time, guys, make sure you stay really safe on site, and we'll catch you soon.